Hey, what's up? Thanks for checking out my video. This is just a quick comparison right here on this Patriot Cooler versus an Ozark Trail cheap Walmart cooler. Okay, so the story on these Patriots, if you haven't seen this brand out there yet, pretty cool. The company out of Houston, Texas, and part of the proceeds goes to help veterans causes. So that's kind of neat, you know, definitely playing off that patriotic theme, obviously with the name, and of course Yeti lately with the whole NRA debacle, you know, got a lot of their people pissed off that won't buy Yeti ever again. So anyway, I thought it was pretty cool. It's about $129. The Ozark Trail is about $85 at Walmart. So I thought it was a pretty good comparison, you know, to try to do and see, is this worth a little bit extra money? So I did a full long video that you can click right up above here on my other channel that does snack food and other food product reviews. This is just a quick comparison if you only got a minute to watch here real quick. But this is Labor Day weekend. It's Monday right now, Monday, Labor Day 2018. I started this on Friday night at 8 o'clock is when I loaded these up. So topped them off all the way to the top with ice, no airspace, put some beers in there and whatnot, did temperature measurements, all that good stuff. I opened it up the next day at 12 o'clock on Saturday. Then I opened it up Saturday night to get some beers out of it at around 8 o'clock. Then I didn't drink it all on Sunday because I drank too much Saturday night, and it's Sunday, you're gonna chill out a little bit. So in another 24 hours, I opened it up then, and just now opened up a minute ago to conclude my other test and shut it, but just open it up and just show you here. It's pretty clear when you see the results here. Let me turn up the brightness on my camera a little bit. In the Patriot here, there is plenty of ice left. Now, granted, this is only about 65 hours, you know. Now, these things say they hold ice for 3 days. Well, it's been a little bit over 2.5 days. In real world conditions, it's about 86 degrees in my garage here. I've got a thermometer, I'll show you. There's no ice left at all in the Ozark Trail. Now, it is still cold. This water is still very cold. I can't keep my hand in there very long. I mean, it's still cold, and the beers are still cold and drinkable, but obviously not holding much ice. Now, and if you think, oh, well, that's got more airspace in this one, it really only has about 1 inch more here, and this is actually wider here. Now, I still think this has more volume in it a little bit, but still the ice was to the top. You can watch my other video and see. And just for fun here too, I'll show you the ambient temperature here in the garage. It's about 10 o'clock. It's 85 degrees. Hey, it's hot. I'm down here in Charleston, South Carolina, and it's hot in the summertime. In the coolers, what I think is interesting though, we do a test right above the water line here. Okay, and I'm right above the water line with the laser. You can't hardly see it, but let me actually redo the brightness. Let's see. Okay, about 41 degrees right above the water line. We get over here, right above that water line. Look at that, it's about 10-degree difference. I think that's pretty interesting. I don't know how good these digital thermometers are in the water. In the water, it shows about 41. Still cold enough to drink a beer. But over here, you know, really nice and cold, 33. So, and also I do like that the Patriot's got a drain plug. The Ozark Trail does not. So anyway, hey, what do you think? Have you seen these Patriots before? I'm definitely going to do some other comparison videos with this Patriot against maybe some Arctic coolers. A friend of mine's got a Yeti that I give him a hard time about that he overpaid for it. Definitely going to test it against that Yeti. But main thing I'm going to do right now is put the beer from here into here and go hit the boat a little bit. So anyway, hit the subscribe button, comment down below. Have a wonderful day.